As you know, it has been a priority of my government to upgrade the transportation infrastructure throughout the country. And that means highways, roads, bridges, jetties, and ferries. It is a huge undertaking, but we have pushed steadily over the last 7 years to make these improvements. Modern transportation infrastructure is critical to our economy and to the social fabric of the country. A reliable transportation network links communities together. It helps people get their goods and crops to market. It allows people to get to their workplace and children to get to their schools. It is the backbone of a modern tourism industry. It ensures that help can arrive at a home or a village at a time of dire emergency. It ensures that no one is isolated or left behind. We have a special challenge in Fiji to link in a permanent and efficient way people living in often isolated areas with other people on their island, and to link all the Fijian people living on all our islands together. That means repairing and improving the roads, bridges and jetties. We have to get them stronger, more modern and more able to withstand the ravages of storms and the threat of erosion brought on by climate change. It means repairing these assets quickly when they become damaged or worn, as they eventually will. It means being constantly vigilant for roads that need to be upgraded as they become busier. It means never being complacent. We aspire to build the best network possible, and we will accept nothing less. Today, we will commission this important project for the people of Tuko village, Nasinu, and all of Ovalau. This beautiful new road with a retaining wall to protect it from the sea replaces one that has become work and rutted as roads do. Its bridges and jetties have been renewed or replaced. We once again have the kind of integrated transport infrastructure here that your people deserve. This was done at a cost of nearly $1.5 million, but it will produce many times that amount in economic activity that it will help to stimulate every day. It is a well-known fact that an efficient transportation system boosts the economy and help drive income upwards. So good roads and bridges are more than just a joy to ride on. They are very much the pathway to a better life for Fijians. This is particularly important for our rural population, who for too many years were neglected and left to live with a backward road system. But I will never accept the idea that we can leave even one family or one person behind in this modern economy. Everyone needs an opportunity to contribute and to grow and to prosper. That is why we have emphasized improving schools and improving access to electric power and water. That is why we have sought to make the internet available for everyone and put the power of information in their hands. And that is why we have extended legal services throughout the country, which put the power of the law into their hands. Kita kan na kota man na viva kulungata ki vira ke dara tako sike. Na vesua. Kulungata tiro matentu. Andua, emeni. Eren dala basa sau. Sala.